The Invisible Sewn Bind-off is a great choice when you want a stretchy, bound-off edge that doesn't call attention to itself. This bind-off is particularly attractive when used with garter stitch. Cut your yarn, leaving a tail about 4 times the length of the edge to be bound off. Thread the tail on a tapestry needle. Insert the tapestry needle knitwise through the second stitch and pull the yarn through to the back. Insert the needle purlwise through the first stitch and pull the yarn through. Then drop the stitch off the needle. Repeat those steps, keeping medium tension, not too loose and not too tight. You should see a consistent edge forming, with the stitches slanting from upper right to lower left along the bound-off edge. Once all of your stitches are bound off, you can go back with the tapestry needle and even up your tension. This simple yet effective bind-off is one to add to your toolkit. Give the Invisible Sewn Bind-off a try and let us know what you think in the comments.